solving a complex trigonometric identity. Prove why these two fractions equal each other.
We're about to turn to rational expressions into a single combo special. Adding them up makes the pesky to-cosine terms vanish like a magician's rabbit. The numerator is now a tidy 2. No more drama.
Here we call on the classic identity.
Think of it as the denominator losing weight. Now it's only 1 minus twice the sign squared.
And there you have it. The original expression transforms into.
Mathematics has never sounded so snappy.